Goshen Christian Church. We have a large grounds for the event. We have ample parking. We have a lot of antique farm machinery, tractors, balers, mowing machines, things of that nature, anything farm related, horse-drawn equipment. People come out to see what farming has been in the past, what our forefathers used to farm, how they got by. It's something I think everyone likes is machinery. Everyone is drawn to it, but especially the things that were used in this area and by our fathers and grandfathers and generations back. We enjoy the machinery that they use, and we're trying to preserve that heritage, that history, things of the past. Otherwise, future generations will have no idea of what took place in this part of the country. There'll be crafts, there'll be food, exhibits of antique farm machinery, some of them working and operating, antique tractors, plows, things of that nature, and hopefully some horse-drawn equipment, because that is equally important as well as the tractors.